Hey everyone, it's Jacqueline.
And Adam.
From Pixie Dust PhD. Recently, Liz and Allie over at Ohana Adventures tagged me in this Disney World tag. Rather than do it all by myself, I'm here today with my partner Adam, so it should be a good time. Stay tuned if you want to hear our Disney this or that and see if you're tagged too. I, of course, saw Liz and Allie's video earlier on Ohana Adventures, which I will link down in the description below. Adam actually hasn't seen that or any of the questions, so it'll be a little more off the cuff for him. The first question is rope drop or sleep in?
Oh, me first? Okay. Well, I think you should rope drop at least like one day.
I agree, rope drop. We don't rope drop every day, but if that was the choice, rope drop or sleep in, probably rope drop.
Mm-hmm. If it's like, take it or leave it, definitely rope drop.
Yeah, it's this or that, so.
Okay, I get it, yeah.
Okay, number 2 is Monorail or Ferry?
Unless it's like terrible weather, I prefer the Ferry.
I also prefer the Ferry. The Monorail is fun, and I get that it's classic, but it's also really slow, and I find that kind of infuriating. Number 3 is Wishes or Happily Ever After?
Oh, Happily Ever After.
Happily Ever After.
Yeah.
Sorry, Wishes.
Easy.
Number 4 is Pirates or The Jungle Cruise?
Oh, I'm a big fan of the Jungle Cruise.
Yeah, I'd pick The Jungle Cruise too. I actually don't like Pirates that much.
Am I going first every time?
Yes.
Okay.
Pirates is fine. I don't hate it, but it's not... We do it every trip, but I don't feel like we have to do it.
Right.
Like, we have to do the Jungle Cruise.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Number 4 is Festival of Fantasy or Move It, Shake It?
Okay. Move It, Shake It, because it's upbeat.
Yes, we're not really parade people in general.
Yeah.
I would probably pick Festival of Fantasy. I think that's the one with the giant Maleficent dragon. I think that's pretty cool. 6 is Casey's Corner or Sleepy Hollow?
Ooh, that's tough. I'm probably gonna have to go with, desserts though. Okay, probably Sleepy Hollow, just the desserts edge it out for me.
Yeah, Sleepy Hollow for me. I don't eat hot dogs, so Casey's Corner has very little appeal to me.
I like hot dogs though.
Number 7 is Splash Mountain or Big Thunder Mountain?
Oh, Big Thunder. Coaster all the way over log flume.
Yeah, Big Thunder. I don't like water rides. That's not even a choice for me. Very easy. Number 8 is Haunted Mansion or Small World?
Ooh. I really like how campy the Haunted Mansion is. So that's probably one I'll have to pick.
Yeah, this is probably the hardest one for me. I feel like I enjoy them equally, and they're both important to me. But I think I would go with Haunted Mansion also if I had to choose.
Ooh, that's an upset.
Oh, yeah, it doesn't really fit my aesthetic as much as Small World. Number 9 is Peter Pan's Flight or the Regal Carousel?
Oh, Peter Pan's Flight all the way.
Yeah, Peter Pan.
That's another easy one.
Pretty easy. Number 10 is Disneybound or Matching Tees?
Well, I know how much you love Disneybound. Is that what you're gonna pick?
Well, we just don't wear matching tees. It's not what we do. So we don't really Disneybound either. When we go to the parks, I normally just try to look cute.
And often it's mission accomplished. So, yeah, I would probably do the matching tees if we had to pick one. That's the game. I
would probably rather Disneybound than wear matching tees, but I'm not against matching tees, just to be clear.
Yeah, for sure.
Number 11 is Dole Whip or Mickey Bar? 1, 2, 3.
Dole Whip.
Yeah, there's no question there. Number 12 is Fantasyland or Adventureland?
I would probably have to go with Fantasyland, just because, it's right by the castle. It's really cool. You have all those attractions. And, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train is a pretty great ride, as long as you get a fast pass.
Yeah, I would also pick Fantasyland for all those reasons, but also Merida meets there. A lot of the princesses meet there. Big fan of princesses. I guess Jasmine meets in Adventureland sometimes, but the number of princesses definitely wins in Fantasyland.
Very true.
Number 13 is Frontierland or Tomorrowland?
Okay, this is another really hard one. Probably Tomorrowland, just because, it's very cool. There's a movie and the People Mover, Space Mountain. A lot of really fun stuff there.
What do you mean there's a movie?
There's a movie called Tomorrowland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, starring George Clooney and some girl.
Is it about, like, Disney?
It's about a city in the future, and therefore it's Tomorrowland.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
I'm like pretty sure it was not a very good movie.
Okay.
But
anyway.
Yeah, Disney. They try and tie it all together somehow.
I would also probably pick Tomorrowland. I think the rides in Frontierland are really great and it's themed well, but I just prefer the theming of Tomorrowland. I find it a little more immersive, and Space Mountain, such a classic in my opinion.
Yeah, definitely a great ride. In Tron, definitely looking forward to that.
Oh yeah, Tron! Yeah, Tomorrowland's definitely gonna win once Tron's open. Number 14 is Meet Mickey or Meet Tinkerbell?
Mickey.
This is hard for me. We met Tinkerbell last time and I really love that queue area, and her set is amazing and she's also super sassy and fun. I really enjoy both, but if it was only one, I agree for Mickey.
It's his house.
It's his house, yeah.
Yeah. Gotta say hello. It'd be rude not to.
So true.
Yeah.
Number 16 is Mickey's Not So Scary or The Very Merry Christmas Party.
So I really don't know because I haven't been to the Halloween. So.
Neither of us have done the Halloween party. But it's hard to say for sure.
In the interim, I'm going to go Christmas party because we did that and that was fun.
Yeah, I liked the Christmas party. It was fun. I also love Frozen, so having Elsa and Anna do the castle show where they light it up in the dream lights is a big perk that you do not get at the Halloween party. But I would like to do the Halloween party someday so we can actually compare.
Fair enough, yeah.
Number 17 is Space Mountain or Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Oh, wow. Okay, Space Mountain, just because it's dark and they really amp it up with, not necessarily the fear factor, but the thrill ride factor is definitely much greater and isn't really, telling you the Snow White story, right? Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, definitely a great coaster, but, Space Mountain's definitely a little more intense, and that's the kind of stuff that I like to do.
I would probably pick Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. I actually think I might like Space Mountain more overall, but in its current state at Walt Disney World, it's super rickety and it kind of hurts my body, and that doesn't happen on Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So
it is a much smoother ride, but I do like the rickety. It's like, I could die. This is great. Having a great time.
I hear the one at Disneyland, the Space Mountain over at Disneyland, is significantly smoother and different and better. So we'll do that someday, and maybe then I would pick Space Mountain. But for Disney World, I think I would pick Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. Number 18 is Carousel of Progress or Mickey's PhilharMagic.
Okay, definitely the PhilharMagic. It's definitely a very fun, cute, animated, easy way to get out of the sun for 20 minutes. And, it's right in the middle of everything. Carousel of Progress, it's just very bad dated animatronics.
It's a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Okay, the song is definitely catchier. But all in all, I'm definitely going to do the PhilharMagic. And I just really like the whole Donald is his own demise trope. It's one of my favorite Disney things.
Yeah, I would pick Mickey's PhilharMagic too. I enjoy Carousel of Progress, but I would probably enjoy it more if they updated it.
For sure.
Number 19 is popcorn or Mickey pretzel.
Oh, definitely popcorn.
We don't
Yeah.
really get those kind of snacks when we're at Disney World. We don't tend to get more generic things that we can get at home. I don't think we've ever gotten a Mickey pretzel or popcorn.
No, I don't think we've ever gotten it, but it's just, the popcorn smell, it's amazing. If Disney did not have the popcorn smell, I would be so disappointed.
Yeah.
I could live with not smelling pretzels.
Yeah, on the same premise, I would probably pick popcorn. That's a snack that we eat regularly in our daily lives, so I'm sure I'd enjoy it at Disney. The Mickey pretzel is cute, but I don't really love pretzels that much, and in my opinion, just because something's shaped like Mickey doesn't make it taste better.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
okay,
I am. Yeah. So yeah, popcorn, I guess. Maybe we'll do it someday. I don't know. And the last question, number 20, is Pecos Bills or Pinocchio Village House?
I guess I have to pick one. I guess the Village House, just because, again, just the style of it, different food types, probably leaning towards Pinocchio.
Mm-hmm. The seating in the upstairs is nice, too. I think I would probably lean towards Pecos Bills. These aren't quick services that we normally go to be fair. I don't think if we had our choice of food, neither of us would say, oh, Pecos Bills or Pinocchio Village House.
Definitely do not need to have it. Right?
Yeah.
But again, that's the name of the game. We pick one. And Pinocchio, you win.
Pecos Bill, you win. There was the 20 question Disney this or that. Thank you again so much to Allie and Liz over at the Ohana Adventures channel. I will link to that down below in the description. To continue this tag, I'm going to go ahead and tag Magically Mandy. Mandy is super nice, so fun. She's more Disneyland based, so I think it'll be fun to hear her Walt Disney World this or that. So Mandy, I hope you do this challenge. I had a really good time and I think you will too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. Ring the bell icon for notifications whenever I post new videos. Thanks so much to all the returning subscribers and viewers. All of your interactions on the channel have really helped it grow. Any and all likes, comments, and similar help me out in the eyes of the YouTube algorithm. Of course, both Adam and I love talking about all things Disney. Let me know your this or that in the comments down below. Or if you want to find me on other social media, this is really just me, not Adam, you can chat me up on Twitter and Instagram at Pixie Dust PhD. We hope the rest of your day is super wonderful, and we'll see you real soon at Pixie Dust PhD.
You know, the coasters and the
What
coaster.
coasters?
Adventureland?
Adventureland's like Carpets of Aladdin and Dole Whips and Tiki Room.
Oh, it doesn't include Big Thunder Mountain?
No, that's
Okay.
Frontierland.
Frontierland. Dang. We start over?
Yeah.
Okay.